Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tap to Pay with Google Wallet. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Wallet app. If this is your first time, sign in with your Go account. If you haven't added your card yet, tap to add card, choose payment card, enter your card details or scan your card. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your card with your bank. Once added, your card will appear in the Google Wallet. Now open the phone setting, tap on connection and network and internet and make sure NFC is turned on. This is required to tap to pay. If your phone asks for default payment app, choose Google Wallet. This allows payment to work smoothly. When you are ready to pay at a store, unlock your phone. You don't need to open the app. Hold the back of your phone close to the payment terminal. Wait a beep, vibration or check mark on the screen. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.